So let's get real here. You ever wonder, if your life is already written or if you're the one who's writing it? If karma really is controlling everything that's going on in your life, or if you have the free will to change it all? Today, I'm going to break down karma, fate, free will. And trust me, what you'll discover might actually change how you see your entire life. And I hope it does, because it'll make things a lot easier for you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lissabeta. I'm your go-to international Vedic astrology expert and intuitive mentor, and of course, your guide to mastering your spiritual journey. If you're on a journey to understand your soul's purpose, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. So let's dive in. Let's start with karma, okay? Karma is the energetic results of your actions, past, present, and even past lives. Yes, past lives, I'm saying it. However, it's not a punishment, it's a teacher. It's the universe saying to you, here's the energy you put out. Can you learn from it? What do you want to do with it? What do you want to, how do you want to use it? And karma shows up everywhere. It shows up mostly, you notice it in your relationships. You notice it in your patterns, you notice it in your fears, but you also see it in your blessings. So it's really deeply connected to your soul's evolution, your soul's journey. So now fate, on the other hand, fate is like what you were born into, right? So your soul chose a blueprint, right? Your soul chose your family. Yes, chose your family, your parents and your siblings, chose your culture, chose your religion, chose location on earth, your karma, even your fate even chose your karma, right? Your astrology birth chart. So it's like you're being dealt a hand of cards in this life, right? You didn't necessarily choose it, but you can decide how you want to play those cards, how you want to use those cards, okay? So this is how fate sets the stage, but it really doesn't write the whole story of your life, which is really important. So now, what's free will? Okay, so free will is your power. It's your ability to respond, to choose differently, to break cycles. It's when you heal your karma, understand your fate, and choose with intention, right? You're being conscious, you're acting consciously. This is fate, excuse me, free will, this is how you activate your free will, right? When you're making choices, right? You create new timelines, you redirect your energy. Free will is a divine spark that lets you evolve, right? And not repeat karma. So I want to give you an example to really help bring this in together for your understanding. So imagine a woman, her name is Maya. Maya, goddess of illusions. No, seriously, Maya. So Maya's born to a family that struggles with emotional neglect, okay? Her parents are emotionally unavailable. She grows up, she feels so invisible. Her family makes her feel invisible. This is fate. This is the hand that she was dealt with. These are the parents, that she was given. Her soul chooses this life setup because it's important for her soul to learn these important lessons. Now, karma is her past life. So let's say Maya had deep control issues. She always wanted to be in charge. She wanted to hurt people emotionally, that be, especially children. So in this lifetime, she incarnates as a child who feels emotionally powerless. So that's karma. That's her energetic echo, right? That's given her the chance to evolve through empathy, compassion, and emotional healing. Although it feels like a total B to go through that situation. But here's free will. As Maya grows up, she knows she has a choice. She could repeat the same emotional disconnection with her own children, or she could seek therapy, do the shadow work, get her spiritual guidance, right? Choose to become more emotionally present. And she could decide, you know what? I'm going to heal this. I want to be loving. I'm going to be safe parent. I'm going to be the safe parent for my children, that I never have had. So that's free will. That's her divine ability to shift timelines, right? So when she shifts the timelines, what is she doing? She's breaking the karmic chain, right? So fate gave her the setting. Karma gave her the patterns. Free will is giving her the power to change it all. All right. So I want to like, let's put this together again, just because I want to make sure you guys understand. Because sometimes, people get confused about it all. So karma is what your soul is learning. Fate is the setup. Okay, it's like the stage. Free will is how you grow beyond the old story and you say to yourself, well, guess what? I'm not stuck. I'm not doomed. I'm going to rise above all this, and you act on it. All right. So if this resonates with you, if this makes sense with you, tell me, let me know. Which one of the three are you working with right now? Are you working with fate? Are you working with karma, or are you working with free will? And if you want to go deeper, check out my playlist on karma. And if you're ready to break karmic cycles, if you're ready to live your dharma, right? The link to work with me is below in the description box. I'll see you in the next video. Lots of love to you. Stay strong. You got this. Stay aligned. You're powerful. And yeah, we're going to clear up a lot of karma. See you soon in the next video. Bye.